Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Coffee Oreo pudding is my son's favorite dessert. We will use 3 cups milk. You can use high fat milk or toned milk as per your choice. Now we will use china grass to thicken the pudding. China grass you get in 8-gram packet, so 1.5 packet is enough. Cut and soak in milk. This is the unflavored china grass. Now add 6 to 7 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon instant coffee. Mix it well and keep for half an hour. Separate cream from Oreo biscuits. This is the big packet. Now this cream we will discard. We will not use it in this recipe. So any flavor of Oreo biscuit is okay. We are going to use only the biscuits. Now all the broken biscuits you can make it into a powder, and half of the biscuits we will use to garnish. Make this into a coarse powder. Now blend the coffee mix and strain it. We will also use the residue after straining, but just to ensure that there are no big pieces left, I have strained it. Add them back. Add the residue back to the coffee mix, and now it is ready to cook. If you soak it longer, the residue will be less. Now cook on medium flame till it thickens. You have to stir continuously so that it doesn't burn. When it boils, put off the flame. You can taste and add more sugar if required. 1 cup fresh cream, the unsweetened variety, I have added. Now set it in glasses. You can also set it in a big bowl. Add the powdered biscuit halfway through and then top it more with the pudding mix. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed as yet, and follow my recipes. Press the bell icon for the notifications. Top it again with the remaining mix. This has to be done when the mix is hot. Once it cools, it will set. Push in the powdered biscuit and decorate with the whole biscuits. Chill it in the refrigerator before serving. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching my recipe. If you have liked it, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.